Hi, I'm Sun. This is a care instruction video for your space garden at home. First, to make sure your plant is always 水水的, you need to watering 2 to 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times, huh? And you need to always make sure that the lid is closed. Always remember close it and put it under the sunlight. If you want to open it, make sure it's not more than 5 minutes. To harvest it, the most important part, you cut the stem and leave more than 7 cm of the plant. Ta-da! You can eat it fresh without any dressing. It's so good. You can throw away the stem or you can plant it back. So you can eat it next time lah, huh? Lastly, the most important part, do not. Important things I say 3 times, huh? Do not add in any fertilizer. I hope you enjoy your space garden at home. Remember, you cannot get any fresher than your own harvest. Bye bye.